If we look at the VX6R, it receives from 500 kcs up to 999 megahertz, but a lot of 803 to 998 is blocked, so you might as well say it's 500 kcs to 729. Now, if we look at the Icom R20, which is a lot more expensive and a lot more features, it receives from 150 kcs to almost 1305 gigahertz. And it's, again, cellular blocked, but it's got VFO dual watch, and it's all mode, and 1,000 memory channels, where the VX6 stops at 900. And the R20 really has some impressive features here. I'll just kind of give this for a quick glimpse. If you're contemplating them, I have both, and I love them both. Okay, this is my Icom R20. Listen to this religious channel 133845. It's coming in really loud and clear. I got the Bing Fu 25 to 1.3 megahertz antenna on there. Doesn't sound bad, does it? Let me show you the VX6R on the same frequency.
That's the mark of a true Bible teacher, isn't it? He practiced what he preached when
and here we have the VX6R.
I believe it, and that's
I have the Optech 6-meter, 2-meter, 440 antenna. It's 20 inches tall. I don't know if this has a ferrite bar antenna built on the inside, but it sounds so much better.
These messages are available in a digital
does do AM, FM, or FM wideband receive on HF. Doesn't do all mode like the R20, but it sounds so much better.
Give us a call. 1-800-65-BIBLE is the number. And when you contact us, be sure to tell us how you listen through the Bible. Do you do it online or by app or by radio? And remember, the name of the local radio station helps us a lot as well. We'd love to know that you're listening. This little bit of information really does help us make big decisions as we seek to be good stewards of the resources that God has so faithfully provided.
That's 11043.
Rutland City, please.
34. 42, have a good afternoon. Danforth, thanks, you as well.
I got the antenna folded over and flat. We're still picking up HF shortwave.
Mobile money account. Where we get there's the God person that's talking that says, oh, I've tapped into that. And
North Korea. Oh, somebody on Simplex? I'm just picking up static off my body. Anyway, she's working like a charm. No idea what they're saying.
Como representante de la Unión.
Is fearless Yeah, I'm glad that some of you understand English because I said don't answer, keep it to yourself.
Being a person of your word.